Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to blend photos in Canva. So let's dive right in. Open Canva and start a new design. Click on the Elements tab on the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find a vast library of design assets to enhance your project. Under Elements, you'll see a subcategory called Photos. Click on it to explore the free and premium photo library offered by Canva. You can browse through various categories or use the search bar to find specific images. Once you've found your first photo, drag and drop it onto your design workspace. You can resize and reposition the image using the handles and corners. Remember, the success of the blend depends on the choice of photos. Images with similar color palettes or overlapping elements will generally blend more seamlessly. Click on the second image, the one you want to blend on top. Look for the option labeled Transparency at the top bar. It might be represented by a slider or a number value. Adjust the transparency to around 50%. This will allow the first photo to show through, creating a base for the blend. Go back to the Elements tab and search for gradients. Choose a gradient that complements your photos. Ideally, it should fade from a color present in your first image to a transparent end. Drag the gradient element onto your workspace and position it where you want the blend to occur. For example, place it on the edge of your first photo where the second image overlaps. You can duplicate the gradient. Hold Alt on your keyboard and drag to create a smoother transition. Adjust their positions and transparency as needed. Explore the Effects tab and look for options like Blur or Fade. These can create a softer blending effect compared to gradients. Experiment with different effect settings to achieve the desired level of blending. That's it. With these steps, you can create beautiful blended photo edits using Canva. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.